Micronutrients, the unseen essentials for fitness progress.
When it comes to fitness, most people focus on protein, carbs, and fats. But micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals are just as vital. These small but powerful nutrients fuel your energy, support recovery, and ensure you make real progress. Let's dive into how micronutrients quietly power your workouts and results.
What are micronutrients?
Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals your body needs in small amounts. Unlike macronutrients, they don't provide energy directly, but they unlock the processes that do. From vitamin C to iron, these nutrients support immune function, energy production, and cell repair, essentials for anyone trying to get stronger, faster, or fitter.
Micronutrients and energy.
Your body generates energy from food through complex pathways that depend on micronutrients. B vitamins help convert food into usable energy, while minerals like magnesium and iron support muscle function and oxygen transport. Without enough of these nutrients, fatigue can set in, making workouts feel harder and results less noticeable.
Supporting recovery and repair.
After exercise, your body needs to repair muscle tissue and replenish resources. Vitamins A, C, and E fight off harmful free radicals and help rebuild tissues. Zinc and magnesium support quality sleep and repair, making sure your body bounces back stronger after every workout. Micronutrients literally help you recover and grow.
Where to find essential micronutrients?
The best sources of vitamins and minerals are a diverse diet. Think leafy greens, colorful fruits, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Each food group offers a unique blend of essential micronutrients. Focusing on variety helps fill in nutritional gaps and maximizes your fitness results.
Make micronutrients work for you.
Don't overlook the power of micronutrients on your fitness journey. Pay attention to eating a wide range of nutrient-rich foods to support energy, enhance recovery, and drive results. Remember, your progress doesn't just depend on your workouts, but also on what fuels and repairs your body behind the scenes.